5 years ago, I was a retired lawyer, volunteering for a nonprofit that hosts international visitors from around the world. At the farewell party for a group from Tajikistan, the visitors were giving us gifts of local handicrafts. I'd learned that no one in the US was working to build a market for Tajik products. In my farewell speech, I heard myself saying, I'll do it. And thank God I didn't know what I didn't know. It turns out I didn't know anything about fashion, design, marketing, sales, social media, websites. By this February, my business was a fair trade business working with artisans in 3 countries, involving more than 100 rural women and customers on 4 continents. I'm Rikki Quintana. As a guest on your podcast, I could share some of the lessons I've learned along the way and my vision for reinventing the business ecosystem based on collaboration instead of competition, including 5 simple ways everyone can make a difference.